When winter comes, legumes make a noise. Legumes. Not only in taste, but also in their nutritional value. Legumes are rich in nutrients like thiamine, vitamin K, B6, copper, selenium, iron, niacin, riboflavin, vitamin C, vitamin A, choline, sodium, selenium, zinc, potassium, magnesium, and lean protein. Experts say that if we include legumes in our diet, we can get many health benefits. To know that, read this story. Prevents birth defects. Folate present in legumes prevents birth defects in children. So it is very important for pregnant women to take it. Legumes are rich in folate. It helps in the development of the fetus, organs, and brain. Eating legumes in the early days of pregnancy prevents the baby from developing neural tube defects. Eating pulses during pregnancy prevents miscarriage, premature birth, and low birth weight. Good for heart. Legumes are high in magnesium. Magnesium helps lower blood pressure. Its soluble fiber lowers cholesterol levels and prevents heart disease. Legumes lower the level of bad cholesterol and increase the level of good cholesterol. It is good for cardiovascular health. Energizes. Vitamin B is essential to give energy to our body. Legumes are rich in iron, which helps in red blood cell production and energy. Removes anemia. Those who are always lethargic. It is better to include pulses in their diet. Image source, Pixabay. Prevents osteoporosis. Manganese in legumes increases bone density. It keeps the bones strong. Legumes help prevent bone diseases like osteoporosis. Prevents calcium deficiency and strengthens bones. Increases immunity. The copper in legumes helps produce healthy white blood cells. It boosts our immunity and helps fight diseases. Protects cells from oxidative stress such as free radicals. It is a food rich in antioxidants. Increases our immunity. Image source, Pixabay. Sugar is under control. Experts say that if diabetic patients include legumes in their diet, blood sugar levels will be under control. These are rich in iron and calcium. Good for digestive problems. These are high in fiber. It reduces digestive problems and prevents problems like gas, constipation, and indigestion. It will reduce excess weight. Good for Parkinson's patients. Due to Parkinson's disease, the neurons that produce the chemical dopamine in the brain do not function properly and die. Dopamine is essential for smooth, purposeful movements. If it is lacking, the movements will be chaotic. L-dopa, a chemical present in legumes, acts as a neurotransmitter. Relieves Parkinson's symptoms in adults. People with Parkinson's disease have been shown to be deficient in folates. Legumes are high in folates.